Bro got compared
Go
to a
get Val.
Binding of Isaac character. Why is Cole playing UGC Obby?
Oh, I can be.
Wait,
I'm
what?
here. This is not the time to be autistic, bro.
Kill yourself. Man, that's why you pack a French
Lucky.
fries.
What?
Da-
Want to get in? Oh, you're already in.
Gay.
3, 4, 4, 1. 3, 4, 4, 1. 3, 4, 4, 1.
There we
This
go.
is like Roblox where if it was a tame. See, it even has the same music.
Oh, I wish I could push others off.
So I got yeeted off.
Bro. Me and Water definitely carried that.
Hooray!
What the f-
So the hooray! So do you even say hooray?
Hooray!
I'm a present.
I thought you
Shut
should say
the
I'm a
hell up.
predator. No, I thought he was gonna say
Oh, you
I'm
got the
a
damn word.
predator.
What?
I mean, you would say that.
Damn
Who
it.
won?
I was 1 away.
A furry one.
No, I didn't. That was not furry.
Oh, their name. Oh, it was Fury, not.
Why are you so
Not
playing so
Fury.
tall?
Oh no, 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 no. Water. Of course, water immediately targets me. I'm dead.
You
No.
don't mess
Oh
with my
my
autistic
god.
teammate.
I'm dead.
How are you not?
Look at kill water.
Oh, you have to hold.
This is bullcrap.
Bruh.
Bye, Cole. Damn it.
Cole won. I'll get my revenge soon enough or something.
It's not gonna be sort of revenge, bruh.
Yeah, I will.
So look for the big long pillars, gamers.
Okay.
I hope I don't see no damn t-shirt cannon. I'm gonna lose it. Is that a t-shirt cannon? Did you just? What? I thought that's a JFK, and I was like, bruh.
You love JFK.
Water dog.
We could have died.
I don't care.
Did you just die?
Baby. Also, hear me out.
I'm not hearing you out.
Look at water. And why the hell is Atomic here?
There's the
Wait,
platform.
that thing's atomic?
That thing is the time.
Damn it!
That thing. Wait, I'm
Damn it!
Oh my god, it's zombies.
This is not zombies.
How do I get the Wonder Waff?
Shut up.
Shut the hell up.
How do I get Mark II? Where's the mystery box? Where's Juggernaut? How do I complete the Easter egg, bro?
Water. You're ticking my nerves.
Just like you put a t-shirt on a woman.
No! What the f- Wait, can you put it on the zombie? Hold up. Oops, wrong guy.
You can probably, yeah. Is that a speed potion?
Well, I already had speed.
Who gave me a t-shirt?
I could never.
This good. Yo, look at Atomic's freaking avatar.
Oh, wait, what?
You have to go back and forth, Lil Diddy. Does not
Bruh.
sound right.
I lost my potion for that, too. Because I didn't know you had to go back and forth. Whoa.
Idiot.
Yeah, I ain't doing all that.
You like the t-shirt?
I'd like to kill you, but alas, no.
But you don't like the t-shirt?
Is there like a special prize whoever,
No,
for
I
whoever
hate
does it
this
the
t-shirt.
most?
You love the
Well,
t-shirt.
probably like 10 coins? Well, you want 10 coins?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Damn it.
So you missed too, Lucky.
No, because sometimes it
Let's
doesn't.
go.
See, yours doesn't even shoot Quacker
Yes, it does. See?
all the time.
Did you see that? You know, if I really wanted to do competitive, I would have just done Roblox.
Where are all the damn moles at?
Boy, you ain't saying that like you have the most mo. How did I not hit that?
Oh my god, Tomic's using the hooker avatar again.
The hooker avatar? I've never heard of this before. What the hell is a hooker avatar?
The slut avatar.
Oh, if
Let's
you wouldn't be
go.
aroused from that.
What?
That's what you missed! Look.
That's why you missed, Lucky.
I can't. Dang
I
it.
think Lucky missed, guys. Stop
Damn.
dancing, Atomic!
You acted like you could join.
It's like you're doing a lap dance, bro. Ugh!
What the? Do you see his dick? Oh my god. I put a shirt on you. Let's go.
Oh. Okay.
Almost slipped off my chair.
You do that.
It was an accident, okay? Now I look like I work at a pizza place. God damn it.
Look at Sonic.
Oh my! Can you stop giving me t-shirts? What's it?
Why'd you fall
Hey,
like
good. You
that?
finally put some clothes on him.
What?
Let's go. Why are you walking so slow? Finally put some clothes on him.
No, Lucky. No, Lucky. No, Lucky.
Let's go.
No.
Let's go.
Oh no.
This is messed up. Why you put a t-shirt?
Everyone got a t-shirt.
Yeah, nah, I'm good. You missed. Oh my! Y'all both
You
got the
missed.
t-shirt, Roger. Oh my!
What's wrong with the t-shirt? There's nothing wrong with the t-shirt. Oh, I forgot about that. Bingo!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
I still got 10 coins. God damn it.
God dang it.
It's terrible.
I still got 10. Oh, shoot.
Ooh.
I still got 10 coins. God dang it.
Ooh.
God dang it.
She said it like me.
Why to move your fat away?
We're not gonna talk about atomic.
You are looking at my hat.
You ain't got none.
Look at atomic though.
Okay.
I'm not looking at Atomic.
Why not?
Okay, how'd you miss?
I didn't. It's probably because I reset.
Oh.
I'm about to give you a t-shirt by the end of this.
No.
T-shirt war.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay.
I don't even care about winning. I'm just gonna put a t-shirt on. Hey, hey. I missed that.
The T-shirt.
Oh, screw you,
That makes
Lucky.
sense.
We had like our balls were the same size.
You got a t-shirt.
Our both
Oh.
were like the same size. What?
T-shirt Crusader. T-shirt Crusader.
What's our both?
T-shirt Crusader.
What up?
T-shirt Crusader.
Money drop.
Oh
money
my!
drop.
Can Atomic stop with that dip? Look.
You like it though,
What the?
but you throw money on him, bro. I don't want to hear it. But said money drop. Money drop. Money drop.
God damn it! Damn, why do you
water.
suck?
Oh no! Oh no!
Get him, Lucky. He's not even here.
I think not shooting.
No, it is. It just. I don't know why we missed every shot. I wish he died, bro. I'll be honest with you.
I lived.
Oh, this game is so gay.
Ba da ba ba da 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 da.
You can't choose a freaking
Da,
cup.
da, da, da. So we're in ba 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 da 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 down 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 da da down down
Bruh.
down.
Well, guys, I
How
see
do
you
I
guys
choose a
soon.
cup?
You can't. Good drawing. I freaking Xbox with you guys.
Damn.
I wasn't freaking invisible.
So
Same.
we're in bow bow bow. Oh no! Oh no!
Oh my god, bro. Oh,
let's
yes,
go.
yes. You can't kill him.
You can't kill me.
I'm pretty sure on you.
About a buzz.
Dang it.
About the.
Oh my
Okay.
water, you. Who got in there? Never mind. Water got a shirt on.
Brain.
You really give people brain.
That's talking to you, water.
Did he just die?
I tried to snipe soda.
Snipe soda.
Trying to make this easy for you.
Gee, what?
Can y'all just kill him? No way. Oh wait, no, we won.
The zombies
Oh,
won.
we won.
I won because I was always a zombie. God damn it. Oh my god.
God dang it.
It's the first.
Let's see, sir, water.
Oh, I'm back
I
here.
can't.
Yippee. Oh, I could just collect coins here.
I'm gonna do a long shot. Come here. Not even shoot. What the? Where did
It's
he
like I got a
go?
grenade launcher.
I'm not gonna try that. Is he trying to put a t-shirt on me? He is. He's trying to put a t-shirt on.
You put t-shirt on the topic.
Dude, tell me trying to put a t-shirt on.
I thought it said skibbity diddity or something.
Skibbity did.
Skibbity diddity. Oh no. Oh, I didn't get a t-shirt. Let's go.
Not yet.
Bro, how did
No, yeah, you did it.
why is water running so fast?
T-shirt I like.
I got my.
Oh, you already got caught, you idiot. You got caught twice.
Oh
I
shit!
hate this
Freaking sick of
t-shirt,
nigga.
bullshit. This sucks.
Ugh.
I
What? Like you don't like the way I walk?
No, that was something else. Freaking water action Zesty.
Yo!
What? God dang it.
What happened?
Don't try to put a t-shirt on me.
hope you kill yourself.
Let's go.
Oh.
Look at mine though.
I have
Oh, look, you got the brave princess.
You got the cowboy water. I don't
Why
want
is
to
she
hear
so
it.
tall?
Why is water so short? Oh, I'm not eating that.
Look at what a big head, bro. Can you change my t-shirt pink
What?
for my pretty princess
Yo,
hat?
shit, shit, shit. Okay, wait. Wait, wait. That's a terrible color.
I hope he gets brown
What
so it
the?
looks like he's naked.
That's a good one. That we don't need hot things.
God damn it. I'm lucky. I'm happy I got ran over.
Shit, I would have my life too if I was that.
Does Atomic have it now too?
But I'm trying to fix your shirt. Oh, that's blue.
How'd you
Hold on,
fix
can I
it?
get it?
Come here, come here. Oh, never mind. Give me a second. That's green. That's purple. Hey, I got a first try.
Yeah.
Damn. There we go. Look at you, pretty princess. You look magnificent.
You look magnificent.
You look so pretty.
Okay.
What? Oh no.
A top.
I immediately died.
What? Bruh. Yo, this is goddamn t-shirt. Wee. I got green bean.
You got pink.
Oh heck yeah!
Oh, this song goes so hard. This song goes so hard, bro.
Mommy, you come back.
Okay.
Come back.
I
I'm doing it again.
No slip. So you gonna slip?
No.
No.
What the?
Tupperware? That red sauce your mom made fire. Try it. It's really good.
Oh no.
We just got the Big Bang, bro.
What the?
Who did it incorrectly?
What is this? Oh, lever?
And then we can do some parkour. Where's Atomic found it? He just freaking
He just died?
yeah.
Of course, dude.
Woo!
I'm big and small. Look. I'm coming.
That's like the size of Candace.
Damn it. Accurate. Oh no.
T-shirt war. Everyone gets a T-shirt.
Not that damn Eva, bro. Oh, what happened?
Bro, Atomic sucks. Uh-oh. I was freaking jumped off the edge for some reason. Bro, I was trying so hard to give you a goddamn T-shirt.
I get it first try. I'm this.
I had an extra. Oh,
Damn it.
guys. I don't remember buying you.
Damn it.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring it for you.
Bro.
Hey, bro, get the camera angles right.
Let's go. Let's go.
Why did he die at the end?
What the hell?
Uh-oh.
Okay. Oh!
How did you not die?
How am I not dead?
Yeah.
Oh, heck no. Keep it on. Really did it. What? Bro, it's lagging.
What the hell?
This is why I wanted to do the candles.
Damn it!
Nice shirt.
Let's go! Y'all two in the way! Y'all two in the way! Bruh. Watch, I'm finna be the main focal point.
What?
Sorry. Oh yeah.
Alright, Doug is gonna go to Quack, so I'll see you later. Quackity quack quack quack.